Listen, punk, this is as easy as it's going to get. I can walk out of this door right now, slam this folder, go get myself a latte, and the time I come back, you will be booked and it will be a slam dunk for our DA. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? Charlie, in order for you to get an A in this history class, you need to participate in the daily lesson. You need to do your homework, and you also need to study on the weekends that you're not playing your sports. Because if you don't, then you're going to be back to failing my class again, and that'll be 3 years that you're in my class for English. Hello? Hey, girl. Yeah, I apologize. I got in late last night. I went out with Brian, like I told you we were going to do, and I talked to him about he needs to make his decision on if he's going to go to Chicago with me or if he's going to stay in Philadelphia. Because frankly, he's running out of time with me. I know. Typical men, right? They're their own worst enemy. You know, Miss Sarah, I really appreciate our time together every Thursday. I think the therapy session is doing me good, and I really enjoy swinging on your swing and telling you my problems in my life. I know that the world is a little hectic right now, and there's a lot of stress going on, and it feels good to just come here, decompress, tell you my problems, and swing away on your swing. Our fate lives within us. You only have to be brave enough to see it for yourself.